Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add an event to Calendar on this smartphone. Start by locating Calendar and clicking on it. Then you need to click on this little icon at the bottom right corner and select Correct. Finally, tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose Event to create it. As you can see, my event was successfully added, but you need to customize it over here for it to make sense. So start by adding a title, putting for example starting or ending hour, choosing location over here, clicking on the correct one, and even setting up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. If you wish to edit your event, you need to click on it, then tap on this pen icon over here and make your changes. But remember to choose Save at the top right corner again. If you wish to delete it though, you can also do that by clicking on it, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner. Now choose Delete and tap on Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!